This is the scene in Bryn Mawr, Pennsylvania on Wednesday, March 21st, 2018, the first full day of spring. And the region is being affected by the third major snowstorm of the month. And this will be likely one of the heaviest snowfalls on record this late in the season. We have 4 inches on the ground as of about 3 o'clock, and that's supposed to snow for another approximately 10 hours. It's a wet snow, but considering the time of the year, it's not overly wet, and it's not nearly as wet as the snow we had on the during the storms of March 2nd and March 7th. The wind isn't terribly strong either with this one, at least so far.